Activate the wallpaper flip effect similar to OriginOS 6 on Xiaomi devices. You can replace it with your personal image. On OriginOS 6, Vivo introduces a page flip wallpaper transition effect on the lock screen. In this video, I'll share with you how to create a similar effect on your Xiaomi phone. When you tilt your device, the wallpaper will either change color or switch to another image as you wish. It supports many default wallpapers that can change color when flipped. A wide variety of landscape wallpaper styles. You can customize 3 separate wallpapers as you wish. The theme also has a simple yet beautiful set of icons, suitable for Xiaomi phone. Customize many clock styles, opaque or transparent styles. The selected text widget does not include Chinese text. Many widgets available below the clock can be chosen from this list. Swipe down on the lock screen to access the control center. This is the theme name in the China theme store. You can use my backup file for installation. Double tap to custom wallpapers. AOD default wallpapers. With the default wallpaper, it can be applied to the home screen. Change your lock screen. You need to prepare 3 images, then crop them to the 9:18 aspect ratio as recommended by the theme. Do this sequentially with the remaining images. After you have the 3 images, open the theme app. Return to Customize Theme screen. Lock Style, then Custom. Import the 3 images one by one into these options. Next, activate the custom wallpaper on the lock screen. Change text on bottom bar. Enter any text here. Backup file in video description. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.